Hello, good night. My name is Luisileni Tejada Gonzalez. I'm from of Tenares, Hermanas Mirabal, Dominican Republic. I live in Las Martinez, in a 211 house. I use the public transportation for to go the university. My favorite place are the supermarket, ice cream and tour. I visit the doctor once a month. I'm married and still do not have children. I found only one brother and 7 uncles. All reside in the United States. Actually, I am studying and engaged in religious marriage. The gym is my favorite hobby. Bye, good night.